So it's kind of an interesting problem. So you got nice condensate running out of here. Well, they were reporting that they had water dripping out of the ceiling all around the store. And when I came up here, all these traps were turned like this. So see, when I turn that trap like that, the water flow slows way down because the negative pressure in there is sucking air through this pipe straight into the unit. So when you turn it like this, it actually can't really drain. So that's why these things have condensate traps, because it's on the suction side, and that condensate trap needs to be there to prevent it from just pulling air and filling up with condensate. Now when we turn this back the way it's supposed to be and cover it up so that it can fill up with water properly, it will start draining again just like it's supposed to. So if you go up on your roof to clear this out, you know, there could be some sludge built up in the bottom of this. You can blow it out or spin it off, but when you put it back on, you need to put it back on in this position. I'll show you how I found the others too as well. So here's the other one. You can see it is actually draining, as it should. But when I found it, it was turned like this. Same as the other one. Right away you can see that the condensate quits flowing out of it when it's this way, just because, you probably can't hear that, but there's too many loud vehicles going by, but this is sucking air. If I put like a leaf over it or something, it would probably hold it there. That's how much suction there is. And that just keeps the water from draining into here. So now when we turn it this way, it's still sucking air, which gives it a hard time filling up. So by covering this end up with my hand, it allows the water to come back into the trap and then start draining again. So these units were just backed up with water because somebody came up and turned all of these sideways. Now maybe one of them was plugged a little bit and that's what caused the water to start dripping. They didn't really know what they were doing, so they turned them sideways, and then it caused water to drip out everywhere. Because this one over here, same as those others, was turned just like this. Now this unit is not operating currently because that part of the store is not calling for cooling. Wow, check out this. It's like a fossil. That's a really cool looking rock. I think it's just sedimentary, but that looks pretty sweet. Anyway, so I put this one back in this position. Once the unit starts running again, this trap will slowly fill up. Even though it does have some air sucking through it, it will still accumulate enough water to start draining properly. So yeah, I think they should be good. That one over there, they had taken the condensate trap off completely. So same problem. So every single one of these was just dumping water into the store because it couldn't drain, even though the drains were clear. So yeah, hope that you found that interesting and helpful. Your system will drain best if it has a condensate trap on it. Sometimes it doesn't need a condensate trap if it's on the pressurized side, because then it's pushing a little bit of air out of that port. But a lot of systems just work a lot better with a condensate trap. It just helps fluid move through there without being impeded by the cabinet pressure change in that drain port. So anyway, hope that you enjoyed. Talk to you later.